Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can go live on Instagram. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. So first thing first, in order to go live on Instagram, you need to go to the story section of Instagram because that's the place where you guys can go live from. So for that, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're inside your profile section, you can see the plus button at the top. You want to click on it and choose on where it says live over here, as you guys can see right below the story section, there's live. Just click on live and basically your camera will open up over here. Now once you click on this button, you will start to go live. And you can also play around with some of these settings. Like you can scroll over here to choose a filter if you want to use a filter on your live. And if you want to schedule your live, you can click on this little, button and then start scheduling by choosing the time over here. And if you want to give a title to your live, just click on title and give it a title. So I'm just going to give it random. So this is going to be my title. I will click on add title. And you can also click on this eye looking icon to like practice if you want to practice live. But if you don't want to, you can just click on public and click on set audience. Now the moment you click on this button, you will start to go live. So if I click on this button, it's counting down, but I'm going to click on cancel because I don't want to go live. But for you guys, you need to make sure the countdown is fully complete and you will start to go live. You can also click on the setting button to play around with some setting on the live over here. But that's basically how you guys can go live on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.